Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling high-impact ingredients and immediate actions. You choose 80/20 beef for flavor and juiciness, portion into 1/4 lb balls, and lightly season just before grilling so salt doesn't draw moisture. Once formed, chill briefly to hold shape. Meanwhile, set your line: buns, cheese slices, sauces, and a ready thermometer. This reduces downtime and maintains consistent cook times. Make sure to preheat the grill to medium-high, so searing starts the crust fast and seals juices. Now you execute the core cooking and assembly workflow. You sear patties 2-3 minutes per side to develop a crust, then check internal temperature aiming for 160 degrees F for safety and consistent texture. Once done, rest briefly to redistribute juices. Make sure to toast buns for 30-45 seconds to prevent sogginess and add crunch, and add cheese during the final 30 seconds to melt perfectly. Once ready, assemble in the same order every time so each burger meets your standard. Finish by plating and holding with intention so each order leaves hot and intact. You place burgers under a heat lamp or in a warm drawer for 2-5 minutes, then add condiments and label orders to avoid mistakes. This keeps texture and temperature right. If customers report dryness, act quickly. Add a fat-based sauce or consider changing the grind to 80/20 and slightly reduce cook time next batch. If patties fall apart, increase chill time and handle less when forming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.